Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we'll be going over how to clean the frames on the outside of your window. So you want to start off with your microfiber cloth, a wet microfiber cloth with your solution in it. You're already cleaning the windows, you might have a bucket with your solution. So you want to get your microfiber cloth wet. And these windows, I'm not tall enough, so I need some assistance. So you want to get your microfiber cloth and you want to, the wet one, you want to go ahead and wipe it down real nice. These frames got paint on it, so you won't get them off. So you want to just go ahead and wipe it down. If it's really warm outside, you probably don't need a dry microfiber cloth, but say you want to just wipe off the excess water, you just get a dry one and you just wipe it off to get rid of the water off of it. So you just wipe it, get rid of whatever buildup is on it. You just go ahead and wipe them off as good as possible. You come with your dry cloth. You just finish the rest of the frame, come on down and continue wiping it off. You want to do this before or after you clean the windows, whichever one works best for you. I do it before, so nothing is on the frame while I'm cleaning the glass. So you get your wet microfiber with the solution in it, and you have a dry one just to dry up the excess water. Perfect. That's how you clean the frames. See you in the next video.